It's all ours. You belong
Okay, you ready?
here, old man. Hey,
There you go.
I don't know what you're asking. You have a beautiful wife, wonderful children.
Yes, I'm going to give you more.
I'm in the way. In the way?
You're doing so
Oh,
good.
take care. Do you like... Oh.
You're doing so good. Okay. Good job. Oh, gagged yourself. Okay, let's try again. Good job. Here, let me put more on there for you. No, don't give it to Lucy. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Here. Okay, now your turn. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, I know it goes in there, but let me do that part here. Okay. Can I put more on there for you? Nope. Sit there. Lucy's trying to clean you up. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I think we're all going to need a bath after this. It's like you forget you're supposed to be feeding yourself, huh? It's like you forget. Okay, let me... Can I have it now? Oh, thanks. You're doing so good. Here. Oh, you gagged yourself. Stay there. Okay, let me have it. Here. Hey, sit up. Sit. I would really prefer not to wear your oatmeal face, please. Sit down. Lucy's gonna like your oatmeal face. Here, one more. One more. Do you not want it? Lulu, look right here. Look at Bug's face. Look at Bug's face. Look. Get her. Clean her up. Say, clean us up, Lucy. Clean us up, Lucy. Smile for the camera. Clean her up, Lulu. Get her. Okay. No Lucy cleaning, apparently.